How to hide chats on Messenger inbox. Let's get started. First of all, open up Messenger application in a mobile device and make sure that you're logged in with your account. Once you're logged in, now you have to navigate to that chat account which you would like to hide from your Messenger inbox. Even though if you tap and hold on it, there is not any option to simply hide it. Or if you open this account conversation and tap on this eye icon from the top right corner, and even though if you scroll down a bit, there is no any option as hide. That's gonna simply hide your Messenger application. But however, there is an alternative method to hide this chat from your inbox, and that method is to archive this chat. Once you archive the conversation will be hidden and will be no longer appear in your inbox. In order to do that, you have to tap and hold on that conversation. A drop-down box will pop up. From there, you'll have an option to archive. Tap on archive, and there you can see the conversation is now hidden from the inbox. Now, if you would like to view that archive, what you have to do is tap on three dot icon or three line icon from the top left corner. And from here, there is an archive option. Tap on archive. And in this section, you can view the archive chat. If you would like to unarchive, tap on it and then go to unarchive. So this is the way to hide chats on Messenger Facebook, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. I will see you on next video.